Hello? We got another Thomas Second Friend DVD unboxing tour today. We got Thomas the Friends Get Along, and other Thomas Adventures. We got the front of Thomas, Percy, and Duncan. Spine with Hinton, Love Thomas Friends. Over scroll down. Thomas Friends Get Along, another Thomas Adventures. Portrait Cartoon Thomas, and the bear by, I think, maybe Linkube. Yeah, Linkube. And we got the back cover. Bonus features, we got, not convenient. We got episodes, Old Iron, James and Mess, Duck Take, Charge, Down the Mine, The Runaway, Better Late Than Ever, 10 Point, Trust Thomas and President Signal. Let's open it up. Yeah. Right back. Alright, so I just unwrapped the plastic and now I'm here in my bedroom. Well, look how shiny it is. When Miss took it out, Lionsgate, of course. But maybe it's not sticking here at all. Well, so yeah, the Anchorway I have with the Henry the Elephant Sound DVD, and the other classic ones here. Tom's Newest Surprise and Adventures, we got Universal. Tom's Halloween Adventures, also we got Universal. And this one's type of homemade DVD, 10 Years of Thomas and Friends, like a thin case. And, Holiday Express also has Universal. And, some 3 double features. New Friends for Thomas Spills and Chills. Thompson Toy Workshop and Thompson Really Great Vengeance. And of course, Thomas Rescue Friends and On Site with Thompson Adventures. Sorry, there's hair on my phone. Yeah, this is a Lionsgate DVD. This one's Universal. And this one's also the Universal, of course. And also, Mud Glorious Mud, also Universal. And number 1 here, Engine Friends and The Greatest Stories. The Greatest Stories in Lionsgate. And of course, Engine Friends is also distributed by Universal. Well, we are back out. Yeah, another Tom's DVD. Right, I'm back. Here's Ultimate Christmas. This one's the Lionsgate DVD. Yeah, I don't know what I got this Garfield book. Garfield Out to Lunch. Zed. Yeah, right at middle school and I'm a 7th grader. Well, I'm in now. Let's check this. Sorry, My Glorious Mud. Right here. Holiday Express. It's upside down. Thompson with the President Adventures. This has a slipcase. Henry the Elephant. Yeah, this one doesn't have a disc yet, but I'll be see very soon. And of course, Tom's Halloween. Now, for that one, we got, it's just having a picture of Thomas and Percy instead of Duncan. Now, time to take a look back, shall we? See, no fingerprint scratch at all. And that's my DVD. See you later.